All right, so check it out, guys. So we have quite a bit of yellowing on the lenses. So you can see right up in here, just a lot of yellowing along the top side of the lens. So that's why we got this headlight restoration kit. So this kit consists of, so you'll see that there will be some grading pads. So on the back here, we have a few sand discs, and then also it includes the masking tape, disposable gloves, and then also the clear coat that we're going to be using. So right now I'm just taping off. We're beginning the masking process so we don't get any solution in the crevices of the headlight. All right, guys, so as you can see, both of the headlights are now taped off. So we're gonna move on to buffing. You guys will see that in the next clip. All right, guys, so we're just applying the 500 grit right now. So we're getting this all sanded down. And then from here, we're gonna go ahead and use a microfiber or paper towel of whatever sorts that you have. And we're just gonna wipe down this just to see, make sure we hit all the areas that we wanna hit. If you haven't hit the areas that you need to hit, then you're gonna go ahead and get a new pad, another 500 grit pad, and get right back at it. So right here, I have some extra stuff that I want to get off there, so we're gonna go ahead and hit it again with the 500 grit pad, get that off. But as you can see, the yellowing is pretty much like all reduced down, so that's what we want. All right, let's wipe it off again. So here's what we are looking at. So we were able to get a lot of that flake off of the headlight, which is good, but we still have some more sanding that we're going to be doing with the 800 grit after this. Alright, so 800 grit is going, and we'll just keep this moving all around. I'm not sure if you guys noticed here, but these lines are starting to form on the lens. That is normal. It's gonna come off, hopefully. I hope it will come off, please. All right, guys, so now we're on the final step. So we did 500 grit, 800 grit. Now we're doing 3000 grit. So basically this is the wet sanding process for the 3000 grit. We're just gonna take a little spray bottle of water and wet the lens. And then we're gonna go ahead and use the 3000 grit on your drill, and we're gonna have at it. All right, guys, so here's what we're looking at after we've did all of our sanding. Next up will be clear coat. Make sure this is wiped down thoroughly before you apply the clear coat so you're not trapping particles on your headlights. So next step. All right, guys, check them out. Look how clear they are already. They are already coming a long way. Once again, this was just one pass through. We still have another pass through that we're gonna do once this dries and adheres a little bit. So we're just gonna give it like 5 minutes. All right, guys, so the headlights are looking pretty good. Actually turned out good. Pretty good kit. Highly recommend if you guys want to do this yourselves. So it looks nice and clear now.